Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing an unboxing. I'm so excited. Over the holiday break, I think a little bit after the New Year's, I got a really big box on my doorstep, and I haven't opened it just yet. I've kind of been going back and forth. Should I open it? Should I wait? Should I open it? Because I don't have everything that goes with it. But I decided, let's go ahead and open it and share it with you all. Before I get started on that, I do just want to say, for those of you that are new to the channel, first of all, welcome. And also that I am a HUSQVARNA Viking brand ambassador. Those are the machines that I sew on. So I sew on the Epic 980Q. I serge and do cover stitching on the HUSQVARNA S25, and I do my embroidering on the Designer Epic, which I started to learn how to do that last year, and I have a couple of videos on that if you want to check it out. Also last year, I believe it was around October, November, toward the end of the year, they released the Designer Epic 2, and I am 100% sure that's what showed up on my door. So let's go ahead and get this unboxing underway. Now I know that I do not have the accessories for it, like the hoops and the other accessories just yet. That's why I was kind of on the fence of, should I do it now, should I wait? But I figured let's just do a part 1 and a part 2. So let's go ahead and open up the box now. All right, y'all, so here is the box. I'm working with the tight space here, so I hope that you all can see. But let's go ahead and take this covering off. There it is. This is the Designer Epic 2. All right, let me go ahead and open this up so we can see what's in this. All right, so first things first, you get a really nice covering for your machine that's on top. And I like these machines because they have compartments. So if you need to travel, then on the back of it, you can put your pedal and all that good stuff right here in these compartments. So this is the covering for your machine. All right, and next in the box is all of your paperwork, your limited warranty. You have your user guide as well as the sampler books in here as well. Now we have the power cord here. Foot pedal here. I love, 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 love these foot pedals. It has a retractable cord. So you just pull this out. And then when you want it to go back in, you just pull on it and it just goes back in. Yes, I love that. And then next up are all of the tools that come with the machine. So you have all of your presser feet in here, your bobbins, your needle plates, needles, the tools, everything that you need right here that comes standard with the machine. So everything right here is in this little Ziploc. So I'm gonna put this to the side. Oh my gosh. All right, y'all, so here she is. This is the HUSQVARNA Viking Designer Epic 2. This is in the color Vivid Sunset. So it's really, really colorful, and I love it because my Epic 980Q is pink, and then the Designer Epic is blue. So I love a little color on my machines. So this was the first time that you were actually able to pre-order a specific color for your machines. And it was 3 colors that you could pre-order. This one, the Vivid Sunset. There was also a really nice mint green and a blue that you could pre-order as well. Now this is just going to be a quick unboxing. I will do more details and more specifics on the machine and share the features in upcoming videos, but I just had to open that box and I wanted to share it with you all. But just really quickly, you see the handle up here at the top, your functions right here on the front, your cut thread, your reverse button, so excited, y'all, I cannot deal. But like I said, I will do more videos about the features and all of that because I'm so excited. I'm excited to see the new features from the Designer Epic 1 to this one right here, the 2. So yes, I'm just excited. This is the perfect way to start off the new year with the new machine to start some new projects with. So again, this was just a quick unboxing. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave them for me below, and I will see you all in the next video. Blessings, everyone. Bye.